Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's vlog, we are going to share with you how we celebrated my father-in-law's birthday, chicken biryani recipe in instant pot, and how I cleaned and organized our crockery unit. Hope you like it, so keep watching. My in-laws stay at Kerala and it was their long time wish to travel by flight. So we planned to give them a surprise by booking flight tickets to Bangalore on my father-in-law's birthday. My husband went to our native so that he could accompany them while they were traveling by flight. We also planned a small celebration at home. We wanted to make sure that he felt loved and appreciated on a special day.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz.
Since it was a Sunday, I thought of trying out chicken biryani in instant pot. This recipe is perfect for those who love flavorful and aromatic biryani but don't want to spend hours cooking it on the stove. First, we will need to gather our ingredients. I have provided the ingredient list in description below. The first step is to marinate the chicken and keep it aside for 30 minutes. We also need to rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Then we will set that also aside for 30 minutes. Now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to start cooking. We will set our instant pot to saute mode and heat up the ghee and vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add the spice mix, chopped onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes translucent. Then we will add the tomatoes and saute for another minute. Now it's time to add the chicken. We will add the marinated chicken pieces to the pot and saute them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they are cooked through. Next, we will add the rice to the pot and stir it in with the chicken and spices. Once everything is well combined, we will close the instant pot lid and set it to cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, we will allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes before manually releasing any remaining pressure. Finally, we will open the instant pot lid and fluff the rice with a fork. Easy chicken biryani is ready within minutes. Our dining room crockery unit needed some decluttering and organizing. Right now it has become a place to dump everything and I wanted to utilize it only for crockery. The first thing I did was to remove all of the items from the crockery unit and put them on the dining table. This allowed me to clean the unit without anything getting in the way. Next, I wipe down the crockery unit with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or dirt that has accumulated over time. Once the unit was clean, I started organizing the items by category. I grouped all of the plates together, all of the bowls together, all of the glasses together, and so on. This made it easier to see what I had and what I needed to add to my collection. After grouping the items, I started to cull through them. I checked for any chipped, cracked, or broken items and put them aside to be discarded. I also took this opportunity to remove any items that I no longer used or needed. Next, I organized each group of items by size and color. This made it easier to stack them and made the unit look aesthetically pleasing. To make sure everything was easily accessible, I placed the frequently used items on the lower shelves and the less frequently used items on the higher shelves. This also helped to create more space for larger items. That's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't forget to provide your valuable suggestions or feedback in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Bye.